Look closely. What do you see in this picture? Well, some of you might say a man wearing a black shirt and a little girl wearing an orange dress sharing a treat. Some may say a man and a little girl are sitting on a sidewalk near a blue bag eating. And yet some other might say a man and a girl sit on a ground and eat. Well, definitely all of these captions are relevant for this image. And there may be some others too, but the point I want to make is it's too easy for us as human beings to just have a glance at a picture and describe in an appropriate language. Even a 5-year-old could do this with utmost ease. Automatically generating this textual description from an artificial system is the task of image captioning. The task is straightforward. The generated output is expected to describe in a single sentence what is shown in the image, the objects present, their properties, the actions being performed, and the interaction between the objects. However, to replicate this behavior in an artificial system is a pretty huge task, as with any other image processing problem, and hence the use of complex and advanced techniques such as deep learning neural nets are used to solve this task. Well, we must first understand how important this problem is to real-world scenarios. Let's just see a few applications of it. Self-driving cars. Automatic driving is one of the biggest challenges, and if we can properly caption the scene around the car, it can give a boost to the self-driving system. Aid to the blind. We can create a product for the blind which will guide them traveling on the roads without the support of anyone. We can do this by first converting the scene into text and then the text into a voice. Both are now a famous application of deep learning. CCTV cameras are now everywhere today, but along with viewing the world, if we can also generate relevant captions, then we can raise alarms as soon as there is something malicious activity going on somewhere. This could probably help reduce some crimes and accidents. Also, automatic captioning can help make Google image search as good as the common Google search, as then every image could be first converted into caption and then the search can be performed based on that caption. Now, before rushing to the product's working, let's talk about the task of image captioning. The task itself is divided into two modules logically. One is an image-based model which extracts the features and nuances of our image, and the other is a language-based model which translates the features and objects given by our image-based model to a natural sentence. For our image-based model, also named as encoder, we relied on a convolutional neural network, and for our language-based model, also named as decoder, we relied on a recurrent neural network. CNN extracts the features from our output image. From our input image, the feature vector is linearly then transformed to have the same dimensions as the input dimensions of the RNN or LSTM long short-term memory network. This network is trained as a language model for our feature vector. Let me give you a walkthrough of the mobile application, but before the walkthrough, I want to let you know about the following technologies that were used in building this system. The front end is a native mobile application built on React Native. The server is a Node.js server with Express framework for better request and response handling. The database used is MongoDB. The image captioning task is being done using two modules, CNN and LSTM, and the Python language is the programming language used to implement this task. So let's just go through our application now. The application is made simple to ease and enhance a better user experience. A dark theme is embedded to make it easy for users to glance on the mobile screen. At the start of the application, user is asked to sign in, register, or just use the application without signing up or signing in by clicking on Use as a Guest option. Let us just sign in with an already registered user. Signing in with username Malik. Signing in takes you to welcome screen. Great, let's get started. Now, before rushing to captioning an image, let us first see the saved post of this user. View saved post. We see this user has 4 images with their respective captions saved, also with the date they were generated. Going back, we can also see we can update the user's profile here. Now let's log out and sign in with a different user and see his saved post. Signing in with Talha now. Let's get started. Also, before captioning an image, let's first see the saved post for this user. We see this user has 2 different and only 2 posts saved. Let's now caption a photo with this user, inserting a photo. Clicking on this Caption It button will provide us with the generated caption. Now this will take a little time because our server is running locally on a device which is not a high-end laptop. The caption will be here in a moment. So here we have this caption. The caption says a baby is sitting on a bed with a stuffed animal. Now we can see exactly what is happening in the picture and we can describe it just the way this application did it for us. Now we should save this caption and see if it is saved. View or save post. We can see this new image is here and the date we can say 10th of August. A baby sitting on a bed with a stuffed animal. Let's caption another photo. Let's try something more realistic. Yes. Let's caption this image. Again, clicking and captioning it. The processing is being done on the server. The caption will be displayed in a moment. And here is a caption. The caption is a man and a woman in a kitchen with a glass of wine. Well, this isn't exactly what is happening in the picture, and we can make it better with by training our model with more data. Last time we just trained it with 8,000 images. Now maybe with more provided pictures, the results will even be better. We can also read the caption aloud by clicking on this button.
A man and woman in a kitchen with a glass of wine.
Let's caption another photo. Let's see the results. Let's caption this photo. Caption it. The caption will be displayed in just a moment now. This caption says pretty much what exactly is happening in the picture. A woman is holding a horse in the snow.
A woman is holding a horse in the snow.
Now the accuracy of this application is, we can say, more than 80%, and that is pretty good because of the available data set we had and the training we did. Let's save this image and see if this is saved to on our save post. We view our save post again. We see this image is also saved with the caption. Also, we can go in settings, we can sign out of the app. We can also read about the application, what actually is the phenomena behind Caption It. We can also see the favorite post. Let's just sign out. And so you have seen all the major functionalities of this application. This was all the Caption It application was about, the major functionality that was Caption It, and the major work is done on the model trained, the algorithm written and implemented. I hope you enjoyed and liked my project. Thank you for your time and attention. This is Muhammad Ali signing out. Have a nice day.